Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Discord account. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Well, the one reason I like about Discord is that it is the most straightforward application that you could use. It has every single feature that you would want in the application, and nowhere else you could find this. So Discord is a really good and a really fun application that you can use. So you can. It is pretty popular amongst gamers because they can tend to talk to each other a little bit really input like a delay between the voices and there's like the talks and the calls or something. So it is a really fun and a really good social media platform for gamers. Okay. So how can we exactly delete our Discord account? So first of all, we're going to launch on Discord. Okay, and from the Discord, you're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top left corner. Then you're going to navigate onto your profile settings on the bottom right corner. Then after that, you're going to click on account. And from account, you're going to scroll down all the way till something called delete account. Okay, this is basically once you click on delete account, you're going to put your password and then you're just going to delete your account. It's this easy. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.